Hello guys, I am Himanshu from WP Township and today I will show you step by step how to create a blog post in WordPress. So here in this video I am going to tell you about all the features of blog post, like how to create different categories, how to create different tags, how to add images, everything about a blog post. Before moving further, if you want to learn basic to advanced WordPress step by step, you can enroll in our WP Mastery course and become part of WP community. Also, you will get 20 plus pre-made WordPress template on different theme developed by us as a bonus. Please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to turn on the notification for future updates. So now let's start creating the blog section. So first, here you can see that now we are in the dashboard of our site. So here what I will do, let's go to the post section. So here in this post section you will get all post, and then we don't have any post now. Then you can create different categories and you can also add tags in your post. So what I will do, to create a new post, you have to click on this add new. So let me click on this add new, and then here whenever you will click on this add new, it will get like the, let me again refresh the page, and here you can see that this is where you have to create your blog post. So first of all, you have to give a title for your blog post. Like let me give it a title like this, top 20 startup ideas for designers and developer, or for designers it will be fine. So here you can write a title for your blog post, and then on the right side you will get this all the, like whatever the permalink or whatever the categories you want to do, whatever tag you want to add. Suppose let me it is a startup idea, right? So I want to give it a category of startup, and then also I want to create a new category of idea, and I want to create another category of innovation. So here you can see I have created 3 categories, and in the same way you can give it like different tags like designer, and then developer, and then whatever startup, whatever tags you want to give. So now here you will find like I have created 3 categories and 3 tags. After that, here on the again on the next we have a featured image. So here you have to upload an image that you want to show in your blog post. So let me update it. So here you can see I have uploaded an image, and then I will click on set featured image, and this image will be set as my featured image. So now let's come to the actual part, how to write a blog post. So here if you will see, you can use any of these, like you can, if you want to add a heading, so you can add like this is a heading. In the same way, if you want to add a paragraph, you can add it like paragraph text, and then let me copy it and paste it like this, as like it will look like a paragraph. So here if you will notice, this is a paragraph text. In the same way you will get different blocks, like if you want to add a block code, you can add it like this, and I want this is a code text, and then if you want to add any citation by the CMS guys, let me type it over here, and then here you can see like this is a quotation we can add. If you want to add some code, you can add it, or these are like if you want to add an image over here, so you can select let me I don't want to upload anything, I will go to the media library and I can select any of these image. Let me select this person image, and then as you can see you can also make it like align left, or if you want to set it as align center, you can set it like this. And you can also reduce the image size like this by dragging it how you want to set it. And then if you want to crop the image also you can, and if you want to insert a link to this, you can insert a link to this image also. Then there are several other if you will like browse all, so you will get this buttons also if you want to add 3 images. So here if you will see, I will take 3 columns over here, and then in the same way I will select this image from media library, and then let me select the image, and then what I will do, I will do the same thing with, again I will search here for image, and then from media library, and I can select one image. In the same way again I will search for image, and from media library I will select one image. So as you can see, I have created a 3 column and I have added 3 images to it. In the same way you will get a lot of blocks, like if you want a gallery of images, if you want to add a audio, you can add a audio to it, but I don't want to add any audio. So it is adding it in the this section, but I don't want, I want a new block. That's why here I have gone to a new block. And then here if you want to add social icons, or if you want to add a tag cloud. What does this tag cloud means? Your site doesn't have any tag, so there is nothing to display here. So if we don't have any tags, that's why so post counts, you can like number of posts with this tag you can add it, but let me publish it and show it you on a new tab. So this is how it's going to look like. So let me refresh the page again, and here you can see we have a title, and then we have a heading, paragraph, block text, and then here like tagged designer, developer, starter. These are like designer, developer, startup. We have added these tags. After that you can like whatever you want here. If you want to add a logout option or number of post list, and then query loop, or here you, if you want again some of these WordPress or SoundCloud, if you want to embed anything, if you want to embed a YouTube video over here, everything you can do it from this block section. So you will get a lot of blocks over here, and you can add everything over here. If you want to add a Dailymotion video, you can add Vimeo video, you can embed it. And then if you want like query loop or post date, if you want to see, and then if you want to add a search option, and these are all that present in this block section. After that once I will update it, so this is, I have already set the featured image also, if you will see. And then if you can also here like if you want to add some excerpt length, you can add it. And then here if you will see, we have like allow comments or allow pingbacks and trackbacks. If you don't want like no one should comment on your post, you can untick this one, and you will see we don't have any comment option present in our blog post. So this is what I want to explain you for the blog post, and this is how you can create blog post, and you can give them different categories and different tags to your blog post. Thank you so much for watching this video till now. Please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to turn on the notification for future updates.